Is your stone patio looking more green than gray? That moss and grime buildup isn't just ugly, it's a slipping hazard. But watch this transformation. The secret to reviving your stone patio is using the right pressure. For natural stone, never exceed 1000 psi with a 40-degree nozzle to prevent damage. Start by applying a biodegradable cleaner and letting it sit for 15 minutes to loosen that stubborn moss. Then, working in straight lines, keep your nozzle about 12 inches from the surface. The years of grime will literally wash away before your eyes. Remember to reseal your patio afterward to prevent moss from returning. Your outdoor space deserves this glow up.